News released by the Ministries of Finance shows that 437 international investors registered to buy $10.6 billion, while only $1 billion of 10-year note was sold. By geographical allocation, 55% came from the US, 28% from Europe, and 17% from Asia. By investors type, 84% was allocated to fund managers, 12% to banks, and 4% to insurers and pension funds. Representative from Standard Chartered Bank, one of these sales deal managers, is very optimistic about the sales results.
I think the great success of this new issuance is testament to the general view and perception of the international investors on the Vietnam government's successful role in maintaining a great economic stability, as well as increasing its creditworthiness.
So from a global point of view, the international investors are looking for opportunities in emerging markets. They're searching for yield, and that's why it's not surprising that they turned to Vietnam's bond issuance. On the other hand, it's also an acknowledgement that Vietnam's own macroeconomic conditions have stabilized in the last 2 or 3 years, and that's why we saw interest rates on this bond issuance being as low as we did.
Earlier last week, before the sales, Fitch upgraded Vietnam's sovereign ratings from B+ to BB-, which contributed partly to the success of the sales. With the interest rate of 4.8% per year for these notes, lower than the initial offering of 5.125%, Vietnam saves about $32.5 million in payable interest. However, the question is how to best utilize this raised funds.
The resources have to be put into uses where the borrower can service the loan. It is also a lesson that state-owned enterprises need to be much more efficient if they are to receive these resources. It also means that the governance of the state-owned enterprises has to improve. At the same time, I think it is a good idea to roll over existing debt if the terms are favorable in international markets.
With the success of the recent sovereign bond sales and amid the favorable conditions of the international capital markets, the Ministries of Finance is considering another bond sales in the time to come. This is part of many efforts in the process of restructuring public debt. MINH HANG for Vietnam Television.